Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can get money off your Chime account without using your card, so let's get started. First, let's talk about using mobile wallets like Google Pay or Apple Pay. If you ever forget or lose your Chime debit card, this method works great. Log into your Chime app or use the website and view your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV after that. Add your Chime card to Google Pay or Apple Pay by entering those details manually. Then, once your card is added, go to any store that offers cashback, for example, a grocery store, make a small purchase like a drink, and ask for cashback at checkout. And then, you'll get cash instantly without needing your physical card. Another easy way is through peer-to-peer apps such as Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, or Zelle. Add your Chime card as a payment method in one of these apps by entering your card details, and then send money to a trusted friend or family member who can withdraw it for you. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.